chokwadi chobuda pachena munyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino kunoonekwa kunzi zvigananda nemaZANU-PF members kunyanzi kunoonekwa kunzi these are fake revolutionary members. Panguva ino kunoonekwa kunzi they come and chant revolutionary party to support empowerment, but background zvinyanzi kuonekwa kunzi these guys they support nepotism necorruption nezvimwe zvakadaro. Chiri kuchanisa kuda pachena chinyanzi kuonekwa kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF, especially faction aligned ne2030, those guys yes kuonekwa kunzi they are just my hypocrites, not both subscriber like on the bell icon. Kerana mjati au yasinganzuri vanhu tsitsi obudanyira chiti. The Mutare conference exposed what many already knew, that not all who wear revolutionary colors still carry revolutionary hearts. Emerson Mnangagwa and his bogus comrades have traded the people's struggle for comfort, looting, and empty praise. They speak of unity, yet their unity is built on deceit and corruption. In Mutare, we witness comrades speaking of empowerment and unity, yet the real question remains, empowerment for who? Unity under what principles? Real comrades stand for the people, not for positions or personal wealth. Mkanya Chiwenga showed us that a true revolutionary does not fear truth, even when it bends. A true revolutionary does not fight to destroy, but to awaken the conscience of the nation. To respect your foe does not mean to protect lies within your own ranks. Real respect comes from accountability and honesty. What we saw in Mutare was not the spirit of comradeship, but a performance, a desperate attempt to silence those who still dare to speak for the people. Thomas Warbuda Panguva ine vanhu vachirakasha vaunjeteni kwataka maZANU-PF members vachiti we are not coming to represent the people, we are coming to destroy the same people whom panguva ino you are bribing, muchicollecta mari dzavo through taxes. At the same time you are making them to suffer. Tuze mafunguro enyu muRezimbabwe moti kudii pamusoro padevelopments awa. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.